Approximately 10 years ago, I used to run a golf trip, and we traveled to Myrtle Beach each year. Well, we got sick of the weather, decided to come to Orlando to enjoy the warmth in February. Ended up that Solivita was one of the courses that we ended up playing. We finished 9 holes, grabbed a hot dog at the grill, and came to the bridge that's right outside the door here and said, you know what, I think I'm gonna retire here.
For 3 years, we went to every community around here, and no one had what they had here.
Ironically, right now, I sit on my lanai and I look at that bridge every day.
I think I like the most living here is that I'm always busy. I always played softball as a kid, never played since, so it's been, 30 years.
Susan, shortstop. Nancy, third base. Kathy Renwick, left field.
Well, this is our softball team, and we all get together on Tuesdays and Fridays, and we have a lot of fun.
A lot of the outdoor activities are all held in this general area.
We're going to do this. You got to watch for this girl here because she shoots out to the left, sometimes to the center. It's just one big group of good women playing softball. We have a great time.
Nice, go girl!
Solivita offers 14 pools, 2 golf courses, fitness centers, a ballroom. When AV Homes created Solivita, this was a place that was far away from everything. And so within that, they felt there was the opportunity to create its own community, a destination.
When you were a child or younger, you knew all your neighbors. You knew who lived in every house, you knew the kids, you knew the parents. Coming here to Solivita, the same thing. You get to know your neighbors, you get to talk to people. Where we're today is our grill. It's one of the 3 restaurants on site here at Solivita. Each time you walk in the door there behind me, it's like cheers. The grill is a great casual restaurant. We also have the bistro, which is just a little
Sandwiches, pizza.
Quick sandwich stop. Then we have Mosaics. Mosaics is another restaurant. And then a lot of times the shows that go on almost weekly at the ballroom, they'll always have where you could get dinner right before the show. And then of course, if you go outside of Solivita, there's every restaurant you can imagine within a very short driving distance. I did notice that you finally got your golf clubs out of...
Did you see all the cobwebs?
I had to brush the cobwebs.
I was going to ask you if you wanted to be the 4th for the tournament. Yes, I golf. I love playing here at Stonegate. They have 2 professional golf courses here, but I also do travel around to all the different golf courses in the area. There are so many of them. We're still looking for a couple of groups, so if you know of anybody else in Solivita that would like to play, I think it'd be great to support this. That's another thing about the clubs here. They're always raising money for somebody, so they're going to benefit the American Cancer Society.
So Solivita is a gated community. It's a very safe and secure neighborhood. One of the great things about the neighborhood here is that we have nearby hospitals, doctors, and medical facilities right across the street, literally outside of the gates.
We have a pharmacy that's also a convenience store right here, so if you forget you don't have milk, you can run over there. And we also have a bank here, and we have a farmer's market.
All right, hon, what's the plan?
We need tomatoes, cucumbers, some lettuce. Maybe I can find something for dessert, too. Yeah. Hi, how are you?
These look great. Let's get these. There's a little bit of everything here.
All right, you need anything else?
No, this is it.
All right, we're good. How about strawberries for strawberry shortcake? Okay.
Smells great.
60 and 2 here be 1460 also.
Currently, we have approximately 4,800 homes built with about 6,000 residents. We have over 20 different floor plans. They have all been designed with the 55 and over active adult buyer in mind.
I like the openness of the home. I like to have parties, and I like where everyone's together. So this model was just perfect for us. We left a house that I entertained in all the time, and this is the same, and I love that.
I love the lanai, and we, on this particular model, also have the casita.
There's a big focus on our outdoor living spaces as well, because if you're going to live in Florida, you want to be outside.
So it's a great place for us to be, to bring our families, and we are never without anything to show them or do.
One of the nice things, because there was so much to do nearby, everyone wants to go see the mouse, go to the amusement parks. You always are going to have visitors come in.
When I wake up in the morning, I feel like I'm on a resort. I feel like I'm on vacation every day, because when you're on vacation, you get up and you say, okay, what am I going to do today? And we have all those options.
From the day I retired, this is all I ever really wanted. Again, the weather, the area, can't beat, just the home itself and just the view and everything that goes along with it.
It's just a perfect place.
You can go to these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.